Right, this is all about the solar system, and we're going to be looking at two models of the solar system. The first one came from a long time ago, and it's called the geocentric model of the solar system, and that was that all the planets and the sun, they all orbited the Earth. So the Earth was stationary and the sun and all the other planets went round the Earth, and that was a geocentric model. And there was a Greek guy called Ptolemy, and I think that's how it was said. Anyway, he said, yes, I use my naked eye, I observe the planets moving, and I think they all go around the Earth, and he was wrong. And then about 500 years ago, 600 years ago, there were a couple of scientists who came up with the idea of the heliocentric model of the universe, and that was that all the planets, including Earth, in fact go round the sun. So that's a heliocentric model. Copernicus came up with the model, but then there was an Italian scientist called Galileo who used a telescope to study the moons of Jupiter and noticed that in fact the moons of Jupiter go round Jupiter. So this was evidence against the geocentric model and provided evidence for the heliocentric model, which we now understand to be correct.
So, how do we observe the universe? Well, lots of objects in the universe are highly luminous, which means that they give out or emit lots of light, in which case we can use our eye to detect them, but then the invention of the camera helped us be able to photograph these objects. In addition, we can also use telescopes to look at them as well. So that's how we look at objects which give out lots of light. But there are other objects which may not give out so much light, but they can give out other types of radiation, like radio waves or microwaves, and in which case we can still detect them using sophisticated equipment like the one shown in the diagram.